Your doctor has ordered the NutrEval micronutrient analysis testing. What you'll see here is what you take home to complete the morning of your fasting blood draw. What you will do first is the urine collection. Very first thing in the morning, you will urinate directly into this container, aiming really for the halfway mark. What you will do from there, again, this will be a fasting urine. You'll open up this container, this little baggie here, take out this plastic pipette, squeeze the bulb, insert it into the urine, and release to pull up some of that urine there. You will transfer the urine into these 3 containers here. You will open up each container, transfer that urine. To release the urine, you'll just simply let go or release that pressure on that plastic bulb and fill up each container to really the top of the sticker, or a couple millimeters less than the cap there. After each tube has been filled, you'll note the time, the doctor who is ordering it, your first and last name, and the date that was collected. After that, you will place into the baggie and complete with both, and repeat again with both of these 2 tubes, being sure that you filled it to about this height here. Once that urine is completely transferred into these tubes here, you'll place it into the freezer for any amount of time prior to your appointment for that fasting blood draw. These samples do not need to be completely frozen, but it's ideal to have them in the freezer for any amount of time before your blood draw collection. We will complete the freezing process once you bring this into the office. You will bring this baggie with you with these 3 containers that have been frozen. You will discard of this and also this. We do not need to have these back here. Please be certain that your tubes are labeled with your information, as it helps us with processing of the samples there. After you've completed the urine, you will then take these 2 cheek swabs. You'll see this green label here. Opening up that envelope there, you'll reveal 2 different little Q-tip type things. You might be able to see them here through the bag. You'll take one of those Q-tips and insert into your mouth on the soft side of your inner cheek and scrub pretty vigorously, not to the point that you're bleeding, but pretty vigorously for about 30 seconds to a minute. And you'll do that on one side with one Q-tip and do the same thing on the other side with the other Q-tip. You'll set these on a table or a paper towel or something to dry, which usually takes around 15 minutes. After it has dried, you'll place both of these Q-tips into this green envelope here, the same way that you got them out, so the soft side down, and then just press. It won't close completely, but just press to kind of seal there. And then you'll put this little envelope into this white envelope here, just like so. You'll close by taking this adhesive sticker off and sealing. You'll put your first and last name, your date of birth, and date and time that you collected the saliva sample. Both of these should be completed on a fasting belly and done the morning of your fasting blood draw to complete the final portion, the blood draw portion, at our office. When you arrive to our office, you should be bringing this baggie with you and also this envelope. These 2 things can be discarded. You will notice that we also have some more information for how to collect the sample in written words here if you would like some more information. In order to prepare for this test, it's important not to be on any sort of probiotic, digestive enzyme, or multivitamin for about 1 or 2 weeks before collecting this sample. If you are concerned that you are on any of those things, please contact your provider for more information. Please do not discontinue any medications prior to performing this test unless your provider advises you to do so. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your provider or the front office staff for more information.